Today we are going to talk about the issue of sustainability, circularity, and localization. Sustainability, as you are aware, is becoming a very important aspect when it comes to especially managing our environment. Circularity is becoming also a critical. Circularity means that how can we use waste products to be able to produce something rather than disposing them off, as this is affecting our environment. And localization is how do we use whatever is around us to produce, say, leafy vegetables. As you can see, we have picked water bottles from different places, and we have joined them. As you can see, we have joined several water bottles, and these water bottles are going to be used for planting 50 leafy different vegetables. So we've joined the water bottles one after another, and the water will be irrigated from top. As you can see, we've filled one column of water bottles with the growing medium, and I'll also be talking about growing medium, how you can make your own growing medium. Don't waste your time to buy very expensive growing medium when you can make a growing medium cheaply and with ease. So as you can see, that's how we have joined the water bottles, and they are going to serve as our farm. A farm which you can also have on your wall, on your perimeter wall, on the wall of the house. And I think it is something that we can all try. I think by reusing all these bottles, we shall be able to reduce on the number of bottles that are being disposed of in different parts of the world and different parts of our environment. And you know, water bottles, they don't easily get degraded in the soil. They can take more than 50 years. So as a way of reusing, and that is what I call circularity. We reuse, we keep it in a circular motion. We'll be able to utilize and minimize and manage waste of these water bottles. So again, when I talk about localization, it means that I localize the growing of my plants using the available materials. I don't need to order a growing medium from somewhere to enable me plant. No, look at the surroundings, and I will be able to grow plants hydroponically. I'll be sharing with you the concept of growing medium. Growing medium is very critical to the growth of plants. So these are some of the systems that we have put in place. We discovered the growing medium was doing us giving us challenges, a very hard time, because we didn't use good growing medium previously. But having discovered and also researched and attended training, we realized that we can make our growing medium with ease. We can make growing medium from things like wood dust, from things like honeycombs. You don't need to really spend so much. So we can already use items in our surroundings to make sure that we produce our leafy vegetables hydroponically. This is the future of farming. We need to make sure that we localize this farming technique. Of course, someone would want to import very complicated scientific gadgets to grow hydroponically, which is not necessary. Look at this farm here. Everything is available in the next shop, a hardware shop. You can always get these water gutters. You know, water gutters are used for construction, but you can see how we have repurposed them into a farm. This farm is on the wall, and this farm has over 200 plants, and this lettuce is about 4 weeks, but it's growing very well. No need for pump. Thank you very much.